How about some tacos? Chicken tacos. We're gonna do it over the top though. We're gonna make this brine. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna do it. 2.5 cups of water. We got 6 ounces of white vinegar. I meant to do a half cup, but it's 6 ounces. Got the diamond crystal. We're doing a 1/4 cup. Some people do more, but since I'm doing an overnight brine, we only need a 1/4 cup. If you was doing a short brine, you may do a half cup. Just that amount of peppercorns. We got some 4 garlic cloves. That go up in there. 1 big bay leaf. And my secret weapon, guajillo chili peppers. 3 of them. We're going to take the seeds out, once we drain the brine and all that stuff. I know I'm forgetting one more thing. Oh, be right back, y'all. I got to get some sugar. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Let this come up to a boil and let it cool down. See y'all back in about 30 minutes. As y'all see, it doesn't take too long. It's only been boiling about 7 minutes. That's it. About to cut it down. You see that these are soft. As long as these are soft, we all good. All right, let it cool down. Just straining it. Peppers out of there. Let me get these seeds out the pepper. I don't feel like waiting that long. All right, that's it. So I got 2 pounds of chicken thighs that's going in there. And I also got some chicken breasts. So throw on the smoker and make sure these breasts cook right. We're gonna have to split them. Put our chicken breasts and thighs. Ooh, this flavor gonna be insane. I'll see y'all in the morning. This is brining overnight, roughly about 16 hours. It has brined for 16 hours. No need to rinse it. We ain't trying to rinse away our flavor. We're just gonna pat it dry, add some seasoning. Look at that. Whew. Let's get a little olive oil on here. A little paprika here. Seasoning by eye. A little onion powder. Oregano. Chili powder. Gotta do some thyme. Black pepper. On to the transfer station. Look at that, baby.
That look good.
That's seasoned. Let me go ahead and try to divide this. That's a thigh. That's a thigh. That's a breast. Let's get on outside. Let's get these thighs on here. I'm gonna come check on these in about 25 minutes, the breasts, because I'm gonna probably take them off right about 155, because I don't want them to dry out. And then to make these extra juicy, you're probably gonna take these up to about 175, 180. And we rocking at 300 degrees. I'll be back. All right, y'all. See, this is what we got after 25 minutes. Let's see what we're temping at. Okay. So about another 20 minutes on those breasts. All right, 20 minutes has passed. All right, that's where I want the breasts at. Let me take these off. Juicy. Let's see what these beautiful thighs. All right, we got at least another 25 minutes on those. They should be done now. So let's see what we got. Let's take them off. I can't wait to eat these. All right, y'all. So we're gonna make us a quick salsa. So we got these peppers, same type of peppers. I learned my lesson from the first time. Is that we gonna go ahead and take out the seeds while they dry. All right. See, that's how we learn, by doing and messing up first. All right, so we're gonna put these in the pot. Let them do like a dry toast for about 1 minute. Then we're gonna add some water to go ahead and dehydrate them. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, I got 1 chile de arbol to make it add a little spice. You just been going for a minute, just want to release the fragrance of them. You don't want to burn them. Boom, just like that. All right, folks, they've been going about 5 minutes. Shut this off. So we gotta have some garlic up in there, right, yeah? And we're gonna do a little onion too. Throw it up in here. Classic sweet yellow onion here. I'd say about a third of the onion. Rough chops going up into the food processor. I'm gonna throw a tad bit of white wine vinegar. You know we gotta have some lime up in there. Let's get these peppers added. I'm using this water and everything. Let's get a little salt and pepper. I'm using kosher salt, so you salt to taste. A little oregano, a little thyme, and I want a little dollop of honey and a little olive oil. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Cook it down, son. And that become even a richer taste. Yeah, it's a nice consistency. I like it. All right, this is all we want. It's been roughly about 7 minutes. That's it. That's all we need. All right, shut this off. Boom, bam. We are done. All right, let's pour it over. I like how we looking, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Chicken so nice and tender. Cooking, y'all, like I'm in a restaurant. Got some Colby Jack cheese. You like cheese?
Yep.
All right. All right, so this is that salsa. Boom. Delicious and nutritious. What my mama say? You chefing?
Yeah.
Let's see what these taste like, baby. It look taco.
Yes.
Ooh.
So funny.
Ooh.
My mouth watering. That flavor is something else, ain't it?
Man, the flavor from everything is coming through. Y'all better do this. Take a little work, but it is totally worth it. The only con is you ain't gonna want to go out to another restaurant to get chicken tacos again. You're gonna be like, nope, I made them too good. All right, y'all saw all the steps. Y'all saw everything I went through. You know what? Camera lady is salivating over this.
Hurry.
Man, oh man. I appreciate y'all. Catch y'all on the next one.